corridos tumbados.
Kenny, what are you doing?
Oh wow. That's it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Get out. You going on a ride, honey? Oh God, I'm sorry. I did not mean it. I did not.
You're too slow. Hey, hey. Gordo, you see her? Damn.
What the?
When you taste another dog on your human.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Hi! Well, I have an ID? Yeah, he's green. Oh, yeah.
Slap your dog's bum and see what they do. Evil side eye.
When your dog doesn't want to sit with us, he's gone and sat on his own. Fair enough. Fair enough, Tony.
That's how you are when you're a mother.
It's hard being a mom.
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. He's like, oh,
Oh, no, no. Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? You better not go to sleep. As soon as your eyes shut, I'm gonna punch you square in the face. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, there she goes. Maple, look. No, look over here. Look over here. Maple, look over here. Maple, look here. Here, Maple, here. Forget it.
Whoa, a snowman. Whoa, this is a snowman, Eric. He looks like Squat. Squat.
Yo te estoy diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas. ¿Entendiste o no entendiste? Cállate.
Cagou, né, bichona velho?
My dog has an exhaust system. How about yours?
Are you comfy there? Up. Literally. On the spikes. You don't care, do you? You don't care.
No, 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 no.
Oh shit! Pa. Pa. Pa.
Non, mais non! Paco, viens là. Ici. Dépêche-toi.
Just three dudes chilling on the couch. Nothing to see here. Other than this dude. Oh, okay.
佐野、帰ろう。佐野、帰るよ。なんだあの口。どういうこと佐野、帰るよ。
Superman! Superman! Super Maddie! Super Maddie! You're swimming, puppy! Yes, girly! Yes, girly!
So I just got my Shein order. Move, I'm not in the mood. What the fuck? Who is these shoes for? Who is they for? Oh, hell no.
Should we do it? Should we go do the correct thing? Ha 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 ha! Never! Let's make poor decisions! Woo!
I'll fucking fight ya. Fuck off.
And Tootie. Rudy, what happened? What happened, Tootie?
Does anyone have a solution for this? I think he's broken. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Huh? Me? Just hanging around. got kisses. Papa's kissed you. You didn't want to be kissed, but I kissed you anyway. He didn't want to be kissed.
I think he wants to be kissed.
I know I'm teasing. He likes it. He's a good boy.
He's a very good boy.
Very, very sweet.
Oh. Yo lo que supe, Lupe, no porque yo sea chismosa, porque yo estoy hablando con Doña Ut.
Pero qué casualidad que tú sabes.
Jota, yo no tengo la culpa de que la gente...
A mí no me estás hablando así.
La gente no confía en ti y no te quieren contar nada porque...
Ay, burrica. Must go check it out. Dude, go check it out. Okay, I'm going first. Go, come on, you. Go. You go. Maz, go check it out. Dude, fuck that.
You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken. Do you have any idea what you've done?
Come here. Come. Come here. Come here. Hey. Miko, come here.
Zara, vem aqui. Zara. Oi, mamãe. Ai, meu Deus.
Wasn't bad. Nope. Gordon.
I don't want to fight with you either, but it's like all morning you've just been chasing me around and biting me and shitting and pissing wherever you want. So it's like, what am I supposed to do at this point?
Afonso! Tá certo isso? Hein? Tá certo isso? Quem que tá fazendo isso? Pra que fazer isso no meu sofá, hein? Você já estragou? E aqui, Badinho? Perdeu? A boca até baixa, né? Юханечек.
Как Сеня тычет.
What's going on? Can I help you? What's the problem?
Billy?
I have a very similar shape. Very similar shape.
Has he got poison? No poison. Oh, he's got armour like spikes. No armour. How will it survive? It's got the best brain in the world. It'll work itself. It'll create weaponry down 10 times mightier than itself. It'll mark us through the Ice Age. It'll go through famine. It'll go through World War.
Excuse me. Hey. No, ma'am.